Ano, maurad ka?
Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
May hirap at sakripisyo, ngunit sa dulo nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo. Sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang magkatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, ang logo. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi natin bibig. Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta. Pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi nating bigit.
I'm so completely yours.
Welcome to the main event. 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 Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Something that you won't forget. Welcome to the main event. You ain't seen nothing yet. Let's go.
Son, you know why you the greatest alive.
Fuck rap, bustin' like an addict with a semi-automatic. Coulda had it and he ready for anybody to buck back. Gonna catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady, and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicken, Slim Shady with rabies. I'm coming at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare you to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation and I'm tired of bombing. It's high school, he's not rap shit. Can a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit? This that I got.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies the future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Ano, mahorag ka?
Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
May hirap at sakripisyo, ngunit sa dulo nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
motherfuckers even rap shit.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies a future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Ano, Morag ka?
Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
May hirap at sakripisyo, ngunit sa dulo nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
Son, you know why you the greatest alive.
Fuck rap, bustin' like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who'da had it and you ready for anybody to buck back? Gonna catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady, and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicken, slim shady with rabies. I'm coming at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare you to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation. And I'm tired of bombing his high school, he's not rap shit. Can a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit? This that I got.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies a future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Ano, morad ka?
Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon! Ano, morad ka?
Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
May hirap at sakripisyo, ngunit sa dulo nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo. Sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo.
Ano, morag ka?
Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga kampiyon!
Good afternoon, Bicolandia. We are now on our third game this Saturday. It is NCF Tigers versus JB Hart. An intense matchup for sure na mapapanood po natin ngayong hapon na ito. Kasama niyo pa rin po ang inyong mga commentators. I am Cristina Reyes and with me is Rick Puerta para sa isang magandang laban ngayong hapon.
Ayan, bakbakan between JB Hart versus NCF Tigers. So, napakaganda ng aabangan ngayon ng ating mga live viewers sa Oragon Sports TV because naka-live po ulit tayo sa ating mga Facebook pages, OBL and Oragon Sports TV. At live na live po tayo sa loob ng NCF Covered Court para matunghayan ang napakagandang bakbakan between these two great teams. And as we take a look on our standing, number 1 dito ang NCF, 6 win and 0 loss. And on the other side of things, JB Hart, 5 and 1 ang kanilang standing. So wow, what a game para dito sa araw na ito. Hindi pa nga nagsisimula pero I'm sure this is going to be an epic matchup between these two great teams. So what are your thoughts, Teen, about this match?
Well, actually, ito na yung inaabangan ng maraming manonood ng OBL, NCF versus JB Hart. Pero nasabi nga natin kanina, merong isang talo itong JB Hart. So NCF Tigers now number 1 dito sa ating season and elimination. Kaya naman sigurado tayo na isang magandang laban po ang ating mapapanood ngayong hapon na ito. NCF Tigers, simula game number 1 nila dito sa Liga, talagang nagpakita na sila ng napakagandang performance. So, ano pa ba yung ngayon para sa kanilang last game? Talagang ibibigay na nila yung kanilang lahat-lahat dito. But of course, aalamin pa natin kung meron pa bang konting adjustment itong NCF Tigers regarding sa laban nila dito sa JB Hart since mga veterano yung makakalaro nila ngayong hapon na ito. So yun yung aabangan natin ngayon sa side ng NCF Tigers. And of course, our key players dito, sino-sino nga ba ang magpapakitang kilas? And to hear an update, andyan po si Kyla. Hi Kyla, take it away.
Thank you, Rick and Teen. Good afternoon, Oragons. At sa lahat ng nakatutok pa rin sa atin here at GNTV-Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We are now on our third game for today. Ako po si Kyla Casulia at ako ang inyong makakasama on the side of the Naga College Foundation Tigers. As the team is still undefeated this season, they are now ready to add another win. Since JB Hart is a great team to play, magandang laro ang kanilang ipapakita today. As I talked with Coach Bry a while ago, he told me that they focus on familiarization of their opponent. They review their games and of course the movement of each player. We can expect that the NCF Tigers will give us a good game today as they are prepared for this game against the powerhouse, the JB Hart. Coaches continuously reminds the team to enjoy the game, play smarter, and defend their title as undefeated this season. Matapos kaya ang elimination round na wala silang talo, yan ang ating dapat abangan at tutukan only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. For now, balik sa inyo, Rick and Teen.
Ayan, thank you so much Kyla for that update. So yun nga, pag-iigyan dito yung roles on the side of NCF. Each roles kasi talagang dapat gampanan mo on the side of NCF kasi they want to secure and they want to maintain their winning streak para dito sa ating liga. So yan ang aabangan natin maya-maya on the side of NCF Tigers. And on the other side of things, we have the JB Hart. Natalo man sila on their last match, but I'm sure handang-handa dito ang kanilang kupunan kasi gusto nga ditong makalaban itong JB Hart, ang NCF Tigers. To hear more about their team, let's call our courtside reporter, Zai. Hi Zai, anong balita dyan?
Magandang hapon, Rick and Ten, at magandang hapon din sa ating viewers here on OBL's official Facebook page and Oragon Sports TV. Today is a scorching hot afternoon, but it's about to get hotter dahil sa mga mangyayari sa loob ng court. This is your most charming courtside reporter, MARIANO, from the side of the JB Hearts. And this game will be against the ever-champion Roaring Tigers. Maganda nga ang standing ng dalawang team na to with only 1 defeat. But hindi natin mapagkakaila that they probably probably feel the pressure since they're going against the Tigers na wala pang talo. The JB Hearts are known for their fast footwork and strategized gameplay. Kaya tignan natin kung paano nila maiindak ang kanilang kupunan. Stay tuned lamang dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is Zai from the side of the JB Hearts. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Ten.
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayan nga, JB Hearts pressured right now because it is NCF Tigers. They're going up against the undefeated team, but also, as we can see on the past games of JB Heart, napakaganda po ng performance na ipinapakita nila. Ano pa ba ngayong araw na ito that they're going up against one of the strongest team dito sa ating ligang ito. Kaya abangan natin kung ano bang ipapakita dito ng JB Heart, knowing na galing pa lang sila sa pagkatalo against USI Falcons. It was an intense matchup, so now it will be an exciting one against NCF Tigers. And I know for sure everyone watching us live here at the NCF Covered Court and on our live coverage sa ating mga Facebook pages, handang-handa nang makita yung magandang laban itong ating dalawang kupunan. So let's see kung sino nga ba ang aarangkada sa ating first quarter. Will it be the JB Heart or NCF Tigers? Of course, our lineup here, we have Magalong on the side of JB Heart, Mendoza, Taugan. We also have Lucia and Perea. While on the other side, we have Arenzana, Ayo, Chimo, Palillo, and Margallo sa side ng NCF Tigers. Big man para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. So let's see as we are about to start our first quarter here with Magalong and Chimo para sa ating jump ball. Now, first ball possession. Let's see kung kanino nga ba mapupunta. But of course, we would also like to thank our sponsors this afternoon. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta.
Ayan, Tin. Andito si Taugan on the side of JB Heart. On their previous match, wala itong si Taugan. Let's see kung magkakaroon ba siya ng impact dito sa bakbakan between NCF and their team. Now, Ayo to Palillo. Gimo ngayon, mid-range jumper, unsuccessful. Ball will stay on the side of NCF Tigers as Ayo will inbound this one.
Ngayon, nakikita pa lang natin, nagsisimula pa lamang tayo. But the defense of JB Heart, we can see that it is a tight one. But Margallo with that 2 points. Ito, yung ating best player since the game number 1 of NCF Tigers. Ngayon, nagpapakitang gilas, Mendoza. Passes to Magalang daw. JB Heart, nahihirapan sa depensa ng NCF Tigers. Now, Taugan releases. No good. Nagkakaagawan sa rebound, but it was Ayo getting that one. Now passes again to Margallo. Margallo goes inside, loses that one. Still, their ball possession here, no good.
JB Heart looking for their first score here. Perea looking for his teammate, passing it to Taugan. Heavily guarded by Gimo here. With 9 seconds on the shot clock, Mendoza fires for 3, and it was good. Unang 3 sa ating laro para dito sa JB Heart.
And also, it comes from Mendoza na talagang nag-step up during that fight against USI Falcons. But at the same time ngayon, nagpapakita nga gilas na naman itong si Mendoza. Now, same ball possession here, NCF Tigers. An opportunity here. Ngayon, napakaganda nung ating simula sa laban na ito. And another whistled foul there. 6 seconds remaining sa side ng NCF Tigers here. Can they convert a point here? Ayo passes to Palillo. For a 3-pointer, Ayo no good. Arenzano was there for that rebound. One more time for Ayo. Medyo malamig pa sa outside shooting, but another opportunity for NCF Tigers here. Margallo naman yung titira, pero wala pa rin para sa side ng mga Tigre. Now, nagmamadali ang JB Heart, so it will be a turnover here.
Now, NCF basketball. Time for them to steal the lead na hawak ng JB Heart. Margallo passing it to Gimo at muntik pang maagawan. Arenzana with that offensive rebound. Hirap dito sa depensang binibitawan on the side of JB Hart. What a great steal. And Taugan 4-2.
We can see that NCF Tigers is struggling with that defense of JB Hart. Unang quarter pa lang, pinapahirapan na nila ang ating undefeated team, but at the same time, NCF Tigers still looking for another point conversion here. And that will be the ball possession of JB Hart. 2-5 on our scoreboard. May higpit yung depensa na nakikita natin dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. So nahihirapan sila dito with their offense. But now let's see here on the side of JB Hart as Mendoza with that ball. Regarded here. Mendoza passes here to jersey number 14 Perea. No good. Gimo with that height advantage, getting that rebound. Pero that ball will go on to the side of JB Hart again.
6 minutes and 53 seconds remaining on our game clock. And still, low scoring tayo, Tin. What a great defense. And Joshua Ayo with that steal and with that layup.
Napatawag na nga ng timeout itong JB Hart. 6 minutes and 46 seconds remaining on our first quarter, and we can really see the determination dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. Talagang hindi tayo nagkamali na isang magandang laban po yung ipapakita nitong dalawang kupunan. Now with our game highlights here, napakaganda ng ating mga unang minuto dito sa ating first quarter.
Fast for 3 here.
Nahihirapan pumasok yung mga players sa loob dahil talagang bantay sarado dyan ng mga players. And now as we continue our first quarter, let's see kung sino ang aarangkada at kung ito bang puntos ng NCF at JB Hart madadagdagan. But let's see here after this time at NCF Tigers, what will they do with that kind of defense coming from the side of JB Hart, and how will JB Hart maintain that defense against the undefeated team NCF Tigers. Now Perea passes to Taugan. Taugan now loses that ball. Palilio was there to get it. Palilio hahanap. Marcayo sa butas na yan.
Wow, good eye on the side of NCF. And that assist is brought to us by Mariano Optical. And this time, JB Hart ang may hawak ng bola. Relucio fires for 3. No good. Arenzana with that rebound, passing it to Ayo.
Now Ayo passes to Palilio. Heavily guarded here. Back to Ayo. 15 seconds to shoot here. Tries. That's good. Now NCF Tigers, paunti-unting nahahanap yung rhythm ng kanilang kupunan. So JB Hart, let's see kung ano pambawi dito sa 3 puntos na kalamangan ng NCF Tigers.
Relucio, heavily guarded by Palilio. And foul was whistled to Palilio on that last sequence.
Now, 14 seconds to shoot here for the side of JB Hart. Mendoza to inbound. Finds Perea. Back to Mendoza. Now Taugan releases. Still no good on that 3-point attempt. Ngayon, medyo malamig pa yung JB Hart sa outside shooting nila dito. Palilio passes to Ayo. Ayo tries. That's good. NCF Tigers buhakay na wala dito sa ating first quarter. Kumawala doon sa puntos ng JB Hart. And as we can see right now, that's a 6-point lead coming from their team. Perea, what will be it? Pero no good on that last sequence. NCF Tigers mukhang di diretso yung kanilang momentum dito. Ayo one more time. And that will be the ball possession of JB Hart. Suleiman and jersey number 2 or number 1, Leonel Barde. Papasok dito sa side ng JB Hart. Let's see here, Mendoza.
Mendoza itatawid ang bola on their side. They need a point at this moment. Suleiman to Perea. Bantay dito ni Gimo and losing that ball. Margalio stealing that one. Passing it to Palilio. And a great steal coming from Mendoza. Nagmamadali dito, JB Hart. Again, nahihirapan ditong magkaroon ng conversion. Itong JB Hart as Ayo will try and will score on the side of NCF Tigers. Wow, buhay na buhay dito si Ayo sa ating first quarter.
Now we can see him run and point. Talagang umarangkada dito si Joshua Ayo for our first quarter here. But let's see, can JB Hart convert a point here? Nahihirapan pa rin sila doon sa kanilang mga outside shooting. At ito na nga yung sinasabi natin na NCF Tigers kapag nabuhay, sunod-sunod yung pagpuntos nila dito. So JB Hart, they need to focus and double their effort now. Gimo loses that ball. Lost opportunity for NCF here. Mendoza against Gimo. Grabe yung height ng dalawa. Gimo against Mendoza. And Mendoza gets it. And now, Ayo against 3 players of JB Hart. 17 seconds to shoot here para sa NCF Tigers. Gimo to Arenzana, the Twin Tower. And Arenzana gets that basket, adjusting the lead here. Medyo malaki-laki na yung hahabulin dito ng JB Hart.
Perea looking for his teammate, passing it to Suleiman with 12 seconds on the shot clock. And easy 2 para dito sa ating JB Hart side. NCF on the offense.
Now, 15-9, 2 minutes and 36 seconds remaining on our first quarter here. Ayo once again with that ball. Kailangan nilang bantayan to. Medyo delikado sa outside shooting. Ayo. Great save coming from NCF. And one more time. Ayo, once na nabigyan mo ng bola, you really make sure na it will be a point for him. Now, papalitan na yung starting lineup dito ng NCF Tigers. We have Bases, San Gabriel, Betito, Catamora, and Gabito. So now let's see, titignan natin kung paano ba yung combination of players ito ating second lineup sa side ng NCF Tigers. Dahil maganda yung nasimulan ng starting 5 ng kanilang kupunan. Now Gabito passes to Catamora. Now San Gabriel with 13 seconds to shoot here. Betito back to San Gabriel. No good. JB Hart on the run here, still looking for a point. Soliman goes to Mendoza, but a whistle foul there. Mase yung tatawagan dito ng foul. 17-9, and Martinez checks in para dito sa JB Hart. Mendoza will be on that free throw line for 2 shots here. Now as we continue our first quarter, ipapasalamatan lang din natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have Elavil Philippines Incorporated, DELIGOLD Philippines, MNL KINGPIN at 3N Bakery.
79 is our score, and still NCF very comfortable with their lead. And now JB Hart shuffling their players here. NCF Tigers on the offense. Mase. May hawak ng bola, passing it to Betito. Back to him. 10 seconds to shoot. Mase with that 3, unsuccessful. And the ball possession mapupunta on the side of JB Hart.
Now, JB Hart still looking for a good gameplay here because NCF Tigers, as we can see right now, nasa momentum yung paglalaro nila dito. Marjon Bardet checks in para sa kanilang kupunan dito. Also, one of the key players of JB Hart. Now, Marjon heavily guarded by Mase. And that's a good one para dito sa JB Hart. Grabe yung connection dito ni Marjon Bardet with his teammate. It is Lionel Pate. Hatid po sa atin yan ng Mariano Optical. Now, NCF Tigers with only 5-point lead here. San Gabriel tumira ng 3. Adjusting that lead. Hindi pa pala sila talapos dito sa ating first quarter. We only have 56 seconds remaining here. Now, Lionel. Again, no good. Mase without rebound.
Mase. Bantay sarado dito. Looking for his teammate. Passing it to Katamora. But, traveling violation ang itatawag sa kanya. Ball possession will go on the side of JB Hart. 38 seconds remaining for this first quarter. 20-12 ang ating score. NCF on the lead.
Now, JB Hart. Pumasok na nga si Aquino on their side here. Lionel heavily guarded here. 17 seconds to shoot here. Marjon goes inside, but too many guards there. Suleiman saving that ball. Aquino, no good. And CF on the run here with only 15 seconds remaining on our first quarter. Can they get a point here? San Gabriel, long 3. No good. And that will be the ball possession of JB Hart with only 5 seconds to shoot here. Let's see if they can convert a point with this remaining 5 seconds of our first quarter. Aquino to Marjon. Nagmamadali dito si Marjon to get a point. Releases it. And that's the end of our first quarter. 20-12, an 8-point lead coming from the side of NCF Tigers. We will be back for more actions only here on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon, hatid po sa inyo ng 3N Bakery.
Ano, Morad ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
May hirap at sakripisyo, ngunit sa dulo nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit Oragon kami, handa sa laban, lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Pero ng Oragon, ang lakas, puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto laging ating bilhin.
Ano, Morad ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
OBL Elavil Cup continues. Nasa second quarter na po tayo. And the ball possession will go on the side of NCF Tigers. So on that first quarter, kitang-kita naman natin dito na nadomina nitong NCF yung quarter na yon. Let's see para dito sa pangalawang quarter kung magkakaroon ba ng adjustment dito itong side ng JB Hart, because we know kung paano din maglaro itong JB Hart and Taugan. Hindi ba dito, hindi pa nagpapakawala dito si Taugan ng mga 3 points or iba't ibang napakagandang plays on the side of JB Hart. So aabangan natin yan dito sa ating pangalawang quarter.
So, let's see if NCF Tigers will continue this kind of game or JB Hart will snatch the second quarter of this game. Now we're talking about our first quarter performance from the team. Now for the side of JB Hart, we have Marjon, Lionel, and Taugan on their side na talagang from the defense to offense mapagkakatiwalaan mo. While on the side of NCF Tigers, the starting lineup, we have Ayo and Margalio. And now, dito sa lineup ng NCF Tigers, San Gabriel and Betito stepping up for the team here. Now, as we continue our second quarter, let's see with this kind of defense of JB Hart and NCF Tigers on how we will unfold this quarter. We can really see that after that last sequence between Gabito and the rest of the players of JB Hart there. Tatawagan nga ng foul dyan si Suleiman. So Gabito will be on that free throw line for 2 shots there. 22-12. That's it.
Ayan, mag-shoutout naman tayo din sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout kay John Basales, Jameson Brenya, Kim Monteroso, Brian Tosok, James Gabarda, at kay Cristina Valenzuela. Thank you so much and happy watching.
Now, JB Hart. Isang free throw lang na ipasok dito ni Gabito. Aquino heavily guarded here. Aquino finds margin. 18 seconds to shoot. They're taking their time. Now margin. Passes to Martinez. Martinez against Gabito. Can you see that one? Basket count with a foul there.
Wow, what a move. Let's take a look on our instant replay brought to us by Safe Gasoline. Look at that Martinez. Wow. Great points coming from him. And madadagdagan pa yan dito kung makapasok itong free throw niya. But unsuccessful on that one. NCF on the offense.
Now let's see here. NCF with that big gap against JB Hart, but at the same time, no room for complacency for their team here.
Ayan, 23-14. Let's see kung madadagdagan ba dito ng NCF ang kalamang hawak nila. Katamora, Tumase. Gabito, Tumase. Betito with that mid-range jumper. No good. Martinez with that rebound on the side of JB Hart. And now, to hear an update on the side of JB Hart, let's call our courtside reporter, Zai. Hi, Zai. Anong balita dyan?
Hello, Rick and Ten. Medyo lumamig nga dito sa side ng JB Hearts. It seems like they have to work on several things like their confidence and speed of recovery. They also have to increase the speed of their offense kasi medyo naiiwan tayo doon. But aside from that, they initiated a 1-2-2 zone defense during the first quarter. Let's see if they'll stick to that defense or change it as the game progresses. Rick and Ten, it's only just the second quarter and we still have 2 more quarters remaining. Kaya madami pang oras ang JB Hearts para bumawi. Let's just hope that they'll be able to turn this set around. That's all for now dito sa side ng JB Hearts. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Ten.
Thank you so much, Zai. Of course, the JB Hart focusing on 1-2-2 defense during that first quarter. And now, as we can see, there's also adjustment on their defense here for the second quarter of the game as they saw how NCF Tigers pull off that first quarter. Now, 23-14 on our scoreboard. Can NCF Tigers widen that gap for this quarter, or JB Hart will still get a point here? Conversion, a lot of things will happen here. Sabi nga ni Zai, there's still 2 more quarters and the remaining 7 minutes for our quarter. And to hear an update on the side of NCF Tigers, we have our courtside reporter, Kyla. Hi Kyla, ano update sa side ng Tigers?
Thank you, Rick and Tina. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup. During the huddle, the coaches commended their effort because they poured out a lot to gain the momentum. Their everyday training and consistency really helps them to be consistent in their play. Ang gandang aggressiveness nga din na kanilang pinapakita to really get the advantage for this game. Coaches reminds them na basahin palagi ang depensa ng kalaban at laging mag-stick sa depensa na sinaset ni Coach Bray. Wag na wag din magmamadali at manatili lamang ang kanilang kumpiyansa sa loob ng court. And of course, kahit nakakalamang na, hindi pwedeng maging complacent dahil nagsisimula pa lamang ang bakbakan na laban. Yan munang update for now. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much, Kyla, for that update. So yun nga, mahaba-haba pa itong ating match. So, walang dapat maging kampante between these two teams as Martinez successful on that layup. And look at that, slowly but surely, JB Hearts getting their rhythm and momentum. Back-to-back points for them. Oh, so ito na TNC Taugan. Nagpapakilala na dito sa ating pangalawang quarter. Mase and the rest of the NCF Tigers. Anong gagawin dito to maintain their lead here? Katamora on that side for 3, no good. And look at that. Pero sayang yun. On the side of JB Hart, Palahe, mid-range jumper, no good. Katamora.
And now, there's a heated conversation between the players of JB Hart at Aquino sa side ng NCF Tigers. Now, also a timeout was called on the side of NCF Tigers here because of our change of momentum here. 23-19 on our scoreboard. That's a 4-point lead here of NCF Tigers. But as we can see, JB Hart lumalaban. Now,
Ayan, 6 minutes and 22 seconds remaining for the second quarter. Pero grabe ang intensity ng match nitong dalawang kupunan na ito. Nagkakaroon na nga dito ng kaunting mga personalan or meron ditong game highlights for our second quarter brought to us by 3N Bakery.
now, we're going back to the ball game here after that conversation between one of the players of JB Hart Aquino and on the bench of NCF Tigers, but still, it's a good game to play here. 6 minutes and 22 now. Continuation of our second quarter here. 23-19, JB Hart. Bumabalik yung magandang momentum dito. NCF Tigers, anong magiging sagot doon sa back-to-back points of JB Hart? Now, Katamora passes to Palahe. Long two here. No good. Magalong with that rebound. Now an opportunity arises for JB Hart to lessen that gap. Aquino goes inside. Same ball possession there. They only have 17 seconds to shoot here. Arenzana and Ayo babalik sa loob dito. An exchange of Palahe and Basig. Now 17 seconds to shoot. Aquino to inbound. The passes to Taugan. Martinez. Fadeaway shot. That's good. Now another heated conversation there. There's a double technical there between Taugan, or it's Aquino rather, and Katamora on the side of NCF Tigers. Second quarter pa lamang tayo pero grabe yung mga intense matchup dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito. Now, let's get back to the game ball. Ayo releases the three. No good.
JB Hart on the offense. 1-point lead ang kailangan nila ditong habulin. Magdalong to Martinez. And a foul was called on the side of NCF Tigers. And look at the scoreboard team. 23-22. Wow. The chase on the side of JB Hart's very evident para dito sa ating pangalawang quarter. And Martinez tying this matchup with that first free throw shot. Let's see kung makukuha na ba dito ng JB Hart ang lead para sa ating second quarter. And 2 shots was good on the side of JB Hart. A 1-point lead will go on their side.
Now, let's also commend the performance of Martinez here for our second quarter. Tinrabaho niya, napakaganda ng kanyang offense and also very helpful sa depensa ng JB Hart. And now, that will be the ball possession of JB Hart. Penalty dito sa side ng NCF Tigers. Meron na namang opportunity itong JB Hart to get a point here. San Gabriel and Katamora lalabas muna dito.
So we are all tied up at 23. And now, Magalong on that free throw line to Still the lead but unsuccessful on that first attempt. Let's see on his second try here. Ngayon, binalik dito yung mga players on the side of NCF because again, napakaganda na ng nilalaro nitong ating JB Hart. And with that successful free throw, abante dito ng isang puntos ang kanilang kupunan. Nowada. Hawak ng bola, passing it to Ayo. Taking their time here. Brito to Arenzana. And now, Gimo naman ang magkakaroon ng point. Let's take a look one more time for our instant replay. Look at that. Gimo, hindi pinabayaan dito yung opportunity on the side of their team. And that instant replay is brought to us by Safe Gasoline.
Now Gimo for his bonus free throw here. Aquino babalik dito sa side ng JB Hart. Very tight yung ating score dito sa ating second quarter. And we're just halfway through this quarter. Ang dami pang pwedeng mangyari na Mendoza. Passes to Taugan. Taugan guarded by Nuwada. Ang hanap dito ng mapapasahan. But denied by Gimo. And of course, we would like to thank our sponsors there. And that block is brought to us by BICOL Concrete Hollow Blocks. It was Gimo. Now 10 seconds to shoot here for JB Hart. Mendoza releases the three, no good. And CF Tigers on the run now. Nagmamadali dito, Nuwada. Passes to his teammate, but there's a snatch of ball here. Heavily guarded. Hindi pa man na itatawid pero grabe yung guardia ng NCF doon. Aquino passes to Mendoza. Perea now to Taugan. Taugan fakes and releases. No good. Aquino, offensive rebound. 14 seconds to shoot here. And a whistled foul there. Para dito kay Gimo, 2 puntos yung kalamangan dito ng NCF Tigers. Aquino will be on that free throw line for 2 shots there to again tie the game dito sa ating second quarter. 4 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. Now Aquino for his first free throw. In and out ball. Now even free throws, napaka-importante para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. Now, we would like to thank our sponsors here. We have MACHICHU Boneless Fried Chicken, HARDSHED Hardware and Construction Supplies at Chick and Rod. Now, that second free throw was good here. 26-25. Now, Nuwada. Nahanap dito ng papasahan. Ayo. With the ball. Tries for a three-pointer. No good. Brito, offensive rebound, and that's good for MCF. Anong pambawi ng JB Hart? Dahil sunod-sunod na yung naging pagpuntos dito ng NCF Tigers. Now another steal on their side here. Nuwada to Brito. Heavily guarded. But a whistled foul. Now dito sa ating second quarter, medyo matagal-tagal yung ating laro dahil grabe kung dumapensa yung dalawang kupunan dito. 28-25 and Brito now with his 2 free throws. First free throw was good.
Now 29-25, 4-point lead on the side of NCF Tigers. Brito on his second attempt here. Unsuccessful. Magalong with that rebound, passing it to Perea. Aquino goes inside. And another foul was called to Gimo on that last sequence. Both teams are now on the penalty situation.
Now that's his third personal foul there. Para dito kay Gimo, it's only second quarter. Now Aquino on that free throw line here. Now, even free throws, sabi natin, importante para dito sa side ng JB Hart. Sila yung naghahabol dito ng 3 puntos. Now, let's see. Aquino, second free throw. That's good. 2-2 para sa kanya. Now, 3 minutes and 22 seconds remaining. NCF Tigers on the offense side.
Ayaw ngayon ng may hawak ng bola. Passing it to Nuwada. Brito. Bantay sarado ni Perea. And a foul was called on the side of JB Hart. Brito ngayon ang magkakaroon ng free throw shots. Again, both team are now on the penalty situation. That's why every unforced error is tantamount to free throw shots para dito sa ating laro. Now Brito. Clean basket on that first try. One more time for him. Successful. JB Hart. And the team. Back-to-back whistle coming from our referee here.
Now, Mendoza. Kanina pa yung mga fouls dito ng ating dalawang kupunan, JB Hart and NCF Tigers. And we are now on our 3-minute mark of our second quarter. Naging mahaba itong quarter na ito. So, sobrang ganda at higpit nung depensa nung dalawang kupunan. Now Martinez checking in again dito sa side ng JB Hart. So let's see with this remaining minutes of our second quarter if NCF Tigers will get a wide gap against JB Hart. Arenzana one more time, no good. So that will be a foul there. And JB Hart's coach, Coach Alex, asking for a challenge there. But there's a call there by the officials. So Arenzana will be on that free throw line for 2 shots. 31-29, still a tight scoring here for our second quarter. A lot of whistles there. Arenzana, first free throw was good. Let's see, second free throw ni Arenzana dito to make it a 4-point lead of NCF, and that's good. With that, a timeout here was called on the side of JB Hart. Now looking at this second quarter, we can see that the defense of NCF Tigers and JB Hart talagang pinagtrabahuhan nila yung kanilang mga puntos dito. But at the same time, sabi nga din natin kanina, there's a lot of whistled foul there. So they need to focus now on their offense. Low scoring pa rin po tayo dito sa ating second quarter, 33-29.
Yan nga tinabanggit mo dito na napakahaba ng second quarter para dito sa dalawang kupunan. Yung 10 minutes parang extended para dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito. 2 minutes and 47 seconds remaining. And still, magkalapit pa rin ang score ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Let's see after this timeout kung may makakawala na ba dito sa ating scoreboard at kung magkakaroon na ng team na slowly magpupull away ng score dito sa ating pag-resume ng ating laro.
Now, can JB Hart snatch the lead here, where NCF Tigers will continue this domination? Let's see it. 2 minutes and 47. Aquino passes to Taugan. Now Taugan gagawa ng paraan dito. And Perea makukunan ng bola dito ni Nuwada. Nuwada dire-diretso dyan. But no good on that attempt. But still ball possession of NCF Tigers. Back-to-back steal here. And that will be the ball possession of JB Hart. Now we can hear a lot of voices here inside the NCF covered court. Aquino to inbound. Grabe yung depensa ng NCF dito. Taugan, 20 seconds to shoot there. But an offensive foul was called dito kay Taugan. Grabe. Yung ipinapakita nitong dalawang koponan na to. It is Martinez with that offensive foul. 33-29 still on the score. 2 minutes and 16. Brito to inbound here. We can see that our players from both sides talagang grabe kung magtrabaho dito. And of course, a quick shoutout lang sa lahat ng nanonood po sa atin ng live. Of course, a quick shoutout sa President po ng Naga College Foundation Tigers na nanonood po sa atin ngayong hapon na ito, Mr. Mario Villanueva. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Now, JB Hart on the run here. Aquino nagmamadali. Aquino successful on that attempt but a whistle foul. Betito, yung tatawagan dito ng pushing foul. That's his third personal foul. And we're just only on our second quarter pero marami ng fouls yung nakukumit dito yung mga players natin. So Aquino will be on that free throw line again for 2 shots.
And look, Teen, both teams are now on the penalty situation. That's why, yun nga, every unforced error, nagkakaroon dito ng free throw shots kung sino man dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito. 33-30. What a closed second set or second quarter for these both teams.
Now, that's good para dito kay Aquino. Just a 2-point lead of NCF Tigers. Now, NCF on the offense. Nuwada passes to Brito. Fadeaway shot, that's good. Now, ito yung kailangan talaga ng NCF Tigers here. But at the same time, JB Hart, hindi din papatalo. Astolgan releases. No good. Palahe was there for that rebound. Ayun, nagmamadali dito. Fast-paced game. Nuwada losing that one. But Brito was there to save it. One more time for him, but too short on that last sequence.
And now Aquino on that baseline inbound on the side of JB Hart. Mendoza heavily guarded here by Ayo. Look at that defense. Martinez goes inside. And a block. Wow. These two teams showing great defense para dito sa dalawang kupunan. And Ayo will fire for 3. What a clean 3-pointer para dito kay Joshua Ayo. And that 3 points is brought to us by NOLCAST Construction and Supply.
Now Martinez with a ball. The passes to Taugan. Taugan goes inside. No good. One more time for JB Hart here. Perea. But a whistled foul. 23 seconds remaining para dito sa ating first half. 38-31. And Perea will be on that free throw line again. Lumayo yung puntos dito ng NCF Tigers. 7 puntos ang hinahabol dito. Down to 6 before our second quarter ends. Well, let's see if Perea can get the second free throw to lessen that gap of NCF Tigers. Now, let's see. 2-on-2 para dito kay Perea. At mapapatawag nga ng timeout dito ang NCF para pagplanuhan yung natitirang 23 seconds ng second quarter na ito.
Ayan, may last game pa po tayo maya-maya. So, abangan pa rin ang live coverage ng Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And now, with this 5-point lead of NCF Tigers. As we can see in our game highlights, they really showcase a good performance here from the very start of this quarter. And at the same time, JB Hart also with their defense. So talagang match kung match itong ating dalawang kupunan na ito. And Ayo still right there with his outside shooting. Napakaganda ng combination ng mga players dito from both teams. So talagang connection, yung communication present para dito sa JB Hart and NCF Tigers. So after that timeout, how will NCF Tigers play that remaining 24 or 23 seconds for this quarter? And what will JB Hart do? They need a tight defense here. And also, how will they focus now on this remaining seconds? Now, Nuwada will be the one to inbound that ball. Again, we only have 23 seconds remaining for our first half. 38-33. Nuwada passes to Ayo. Now, long pass here for Arenzana. Brito taking up their time here. 15 seconds. Nuwada, muntikan nang mawala yung bola, but a whistled foul. May pahabol pang tapik dito si Aquino. Tatawagan dito ng foul. Let's see. Nuwada. First free throw was good. 8 seconds remaining on our second quarter here.
Now Nuwada. Chance to add their score here. And pasok yun. 40-33 is our score and a great steal. Ayo will fire and try for 3. No good, pero Arenzana makakakuha pa ng puntos doon sa natitirang segundong yon. Game highlights. Look at that. Arenzana with that buzzer beater shot coming from the NCF Tigers. We will be right back for our second half only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
May hirap at sakripisyo, ngunit sa dulo nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
It's TJ Rolling.
Son, you know why you the greatest alive. Fuck rap, bustin' like an addict with a semi-automatic. Coulda had it and he ready for anybody to buck back. Gonna catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady, and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicka Slim Shady with rabies. I'm coming at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare you to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation. And I'm tired of bombing. It's high school, he's cool, he's not rap shit. Should a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit? This that I got.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering,
Ano, maorag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga kampiyon!
And we are back for our second half of this intense matchup of NCF Tigers and JB Hart. It is a great performance dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. And of course, natapos po ang ating first half, 42-33. Napakaganda ng ating scoring dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. And of course, kahit sa depensa, kitang-kita natin. At ramdam na ramdam din natin yung ating mga supporters dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court and even sa ating online live. Kaya naman ngayon makakasama natin ang courtside reporter sa side ng NCF Tigers. At mukhang may kasama ngayon si Kyla. Hi Kyla, sino kasama mo?
Thank you, Rick and Teen. Kasama ko nga ngayon ng isa sa sumusuporta sa ating NCF Tigers. Kasama ko nga ngayon ng isa sumusuporta sa ating NCF Tigers, Ma'am Beth. Hello po. Good afternoon na ma'am. Sino po ba ang ating sinusuportahan sa NCF Tigers?
Hi, good afternoon to everyone. Mama po ako ni number 9, Justin San Gabriel.
Ma'am, since lagi ko kayong napapanood at nakikitang nanonood sa inyong anak, how does it feel na nandito kayo ngayon at natutunghayan nyo kung gaano kagaling maglaro si Justin dito sa ating OBL Cup?
As always, proud na proud mama here. Proud na proud sa son niya.
And of course, ma'am, pwede mo pong batiin ang mga taga-suporta ng NCF, family, friends sa nanonood sa atin ngayon.
Hi po sa lahat ng mga taga-Kamaligan, San Marcos, and sa NCF communities.
Thank you so much po, Ma'am Beth. And yan po si Mama Beth, isa sa mother ng ating NCF Tigers player. For now, balik sa inyo, Rick and Chin.
Ayan, Thank you so much, Kyla, for that update. At yun nga, na-interview nga dito ni Kyla ang mother ni Justin on the side of NCF na super proud sa performance na ipinapakita dito ng kanyang anak. So, thank you so much po for watching this match between the NCF Tigers versus the JB Hearts. And now, napakarami nga dito ng fans na nanonood sa atin and kitang-kita naman ang suporta dito ng kanilang mga supporters. Tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Zai kung sino ang nakuha niya para ma-interview at happy na manood ng match ngayong araw nito. Now Zai, sino kasama mo dyan?
Maraming salamat, Rick. Narito nga tayo. At bago mag-umpisa ang third quarter, I have here with me one of the audiences dito sa NCF Covered Court. So we have Ma'am Trixie. So Ma'am Trixie, kamusta naman so far yung mga napapanood mong laban here sa Naga College Covered Court?
Sobrang galing po nila parehas and support po pa rin sa Tigers. Go Tigers! Roar!
Wow! So bakit ba yung Tigers yung sinusuportahan mo para sa larong ito?
Yes po, kasi bukod po sa medic po kami ng medic po kami ng Tigers. Yun po, sobrang galing po talaga nila. Kita naman po natin sa score nila. Yan po.
I see. So gusto mo bang maimbitahan ang Tigers community na manood sa ating live and also here sa Naga College Covered Court?
Hello po sa mga Tigers natin dyan. Manood po kayo para makita po ninyo yung laban po na sobrang ganda po talaga.
Maraming salamat, Trixie. There we have it, everyone. One of the audiences here sa NCF Covered Court. At nag-uumpisa na nga ang third quarter, Rick and Tin. Kaya balik muna sa inyo kasi madami pa tayong matatanghalan or makikita dito sa loob ng laro. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Azai. Ayan nga, marami tayong supporters dito sa side ng NCF Tigers. At kitang-kita din naman natin na ganun na nga, kitang-kita din natin sa score ng NCF Tigers na talagang determinado silang manalo ngayong hapon na ito. Now, as we start our third quarter here, a much more intense game yung ating mawawitness this evening. Now, 44-35 on our scoreboard. Now, during that first half of the game of NCF Tigers and KB Hart, there's a lot of things happened. Napakagandang depensa from this both teams. At the same time, maganda din yung pinapakita dito from the offense side. So now, as we continue to our third quarter, how we will unfold this remaining quarters. Now, Ayo, dire-diretso, no good. JB Hart, an opportunity for them to lessen that gap. Marja passes to Tolgan. Tolgan releases. No good. Palahe was there to get that rebound. Ayun naman ngayon para kay Nuada. Nagkakagulo sa baba and the point conversion. Marcayo babalik dito for our third quarter.
And now JB Hart on the offense. Aquino looking for his teammate. And out of bounds, 16 to shoot on the side of JB Hart.
Now Aquino to inbound now with only 16 seconds to shoot here. Now, what will they do? Magkalong. Tapik doon ni Marcayo, but a whistle foul there. Palahe yung tatawagan dito ng foul. (46-35) on our scoreboard here, and Magalong will be on the free throw line. As we can see, dito sa ating third quarter, it is still NCF Tigers dominating this quarter. But let's see kung hanggang saan ba itong dominasyon ng NCF Tigers, because knowing JB Hart, baka mangyari yung nangyari during our second quarter of the game. Deadlock after deadlock there. Now, but before anything else, we would like to thank our dearest sponsors. We have Chicken Run, Chef Buster Cuisine, Pearl Aesthetic Wellness and Beauty Center Naga, Ako BICOL Portalist, Anjana Trading, A Surge of Fitness Lifestyle, and Angels Pizza. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Now, Magalong. Again, that's a 10-point lead of NCF Tigers. Magalong to lessen that gap. That's good. Doon sa baba, it's Aranjana and Aquino. Ngayon, Palilio of NCF Tigers may hawak ng bola.
Palilio nagmamadali and successful on that last shot. 2 points for him. JB Hart. Ano magiging sagot dito doon sa nagawang point conversion on the side of NCF? Magalong forcing that one. Look at that game highlight. Magalong. Basket count, samahan pa yun ng foul on the side of NCF. Now, as you can see on the player on the side of JB Hart, Magalong is trying her best here. Trying his best para paunti-unting makuha dito yung momentum on the side of their team. Now, NCF ngayon ang may hawak ng bola. Time for them to
Mendoza babalik dito sa side ng JB Hart.
now, team, 51-39 is our score. Time for JB Hart here to lessen that gap. Aquino. Nababantayan dito ni Palahe. Will try for 3, no good. What a great steal coming from Nowada. And now Palillo, itatawid ang bola on the side of their team. Nagmamadali ulit. But losing that ball, the ball will remain on the side of NCF.
13 seconds to shoot here. 6 minutes and 15. But there will be some...
Ngayon magkakaroon tayo dito ng review para sa last sequence na yon. Meanwhile, pasalamatan naman natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have Elavil Tours Philippines Incorporated, Safegas, DELIGOLD Philippines, Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated, KINGPIN, MARIANO Optical, MARQED Aesthetics and Laser Clinic, Bakery, TRDV and Construction Supply, GILMAR, CASA, DESCANSO, ARCO, DIEZ, Naga College Foundation, Nagayon Travel and Tours, Tiger's Cafe, Bonnie and Piggy Distributors, BICOL Concrete Hollow Blocks, NOLCAST Construction and Supply, HARDSHED Hardware and Construction Supplies, MACHICHU Boneless Fried Chicken. Thank you so much.
6 minutes and 15 seconds remaining here for our third quarter. But the point now, kung kanina medyo malapit pa. Medyo malapit pa yung puntos dito ng ating dalawang komunidad. But now, NCF Tigers working on that one. And successful nga. Unsuccessful yung challenge dyan dito sa side ni Coach Alex. Now, NCF ball possession with 13 seconds to shoot there. Now, Palillo to Arenzana. Back to Palillo now. 12 seconds to shoot here. What will they do? How started? Step back. No good. JB Hart on the run now. Nagkahabol ng masyadong malaking puntos dito. Mendoza. Back to Perea. Perea, no good. Magkalong was there for that second chance point. Basket count with a foul there. Now let's take a look at it again as Magalong fight for that basket. Getting that one. And now, meron pa siyang bonus free throw dito. 51-41, Magalong. For his first. That's good.
Ayan, look at Magalong on the side of JB Hart. Lifting their team para dito sa ating pangatlong quarter. 5 minutes and 50 seconds remaining for this third quarter. Ibabalik dito si Mase together with San Gabriel on the side of NCF Tigers. Arenzana to Margalio. Taking their time here. 15 to shoot. Palahe. And foul was whistled on the side of JB Hart.
It was Aquino with that foul. 51-42. Palahe ngayon. First free throw. No good. 5 minutes and 28 seconds here. Now, pasalamatan lang din natin yung mga audience dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court sumusuporta sa dalawang kupunan na ito. Ito also sa ating mga audience na nanonood po ng live sa ating Facebook coverage. Now, Perea, 12 seconds to shoot sa side ng JB Hart. Still a 10-point lead here. Aquino passes to his teammate Maggalong again. No good. Now, JB Hart struggling here to convert a point, while on the other side, NCF Tigers still pulling off this quarter. Now, Palahe loses that ball. So, Mendoza now running. Still no good there. Ngayong dalawang kupunan na ito, naghahanap ng magandang gameplay. Margallo passes. There's a miscommunication there. You can see the frustrations in the face of this both teams. They need to double their effort now as we are fast approaching the end of the quarter. And another point, Perea here. A basket count with a foul. And for our instant replay, let's take a look at it again with that beautiful point conversion from Perea. And a 3-point opportunity again for their team here. So that instant replay is brought to us by Safe Gasoline and Anchina Trading. Perea, no good on that bonus free throw. 52-44. No NCF, anong pambawi dito? Margallo. Passes to Betito. Now Betito going inside. Bunti ka na mawala yung bola. Betito, hahanap ng mapapasahan dito. It was Mase. 9 seconds to shoot. Mase goes inside. Di alintana yung mga big man ng JB Hart there. Now, JB Hart, what will be the answer of their team? But a traveling violation, a very crucial error for their team. So this will be an opportunity for NCF Tigers to widen that 10-point lead of their team. Now, Mase.
Mase tatoy ng bola. Passing it to Margallo. Taking their time here. Margallo will try and Margallo will score. Another point coming from him para dito sa NCF. Aquino passing it to Mendoza. Perea will try. Unsuccessful. And foul was called to Margallo in that last sequence.
Now still, this is the ball possession of JB Hart with Aquino for his 2 free throws. 56-44. 3 minutes and 27 seconds remaining here. Ngayon talagang NCF Tigers making sure that JB Hart will not go near their score here. Dahil once na pumuntos yung JB Hart, andun yung NCF Tigers para sumagot. May it be outside shooting o sa loob man yan. Talagang NCF Tigers will convert points. So, and JB Hart needs to focus right now, double their effort, and of course, a great defense will do para sa kanilang kupunan. Mase passes to Arenzana. Arenzana, mid-range jumper, no good. Aquino getting that ball. Pass now to Taugan. Taugan medyo tahimik dito sa quarter na ito. Heavily guarded, but Taugan delivers.
What a move! What a turn para dito sa side ng JB Hart. And now, NCF, ano magiging sagot doon sa point conversion coming from Taugan? Mase. with that mid-range jumper, unsuccessful. And the ball will go on the side of JB Hart. 56-48 is our score. 2 minutes and 29 seconds remaining para dito sa ating third quarter. JB Hart to inbound.
Now, if mapabayaan ng NCF Tigers yung sunod-sunod na pagpuntos dito ng JB Hart, there will be an intense matchup we're going to see here. But look at that, as both teams challenging themselves with that session of the leather. But a timeout was called on the side of JB Hart. 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. 56-48. At ngayon nga, kitang-kita natin na ito ng JB Hart talagang up until the end. Pinaglalaban nila yung kanilang mga puntos. And here are some of the game highlights of this matchup of JB and NCF. So let's see after this timeout what will happen, what will be the plan of JB Hart here as we continue this quarter. And we only have 2 minutes and 15 seconds. So let's see kung tabang JB Hart magiging tuloy-tuloy na yung pagpuntos nila so that they can have a good momentum before the fourth quarter opens. And anong aba din ang gagawin ng NCF Tigers to be consistent with their operation inside the court.
Ball possession. Nasa JB Hart. 13 seconds to shoot para sa kanilang kupunan. Taugan. Taking his time here. 7 seconds to shoot. Aquino fires for 3 and gets that one in on the side of JB Hart. At yun nga nakikita natin dito ang paunti-unting paghabol nitong JB Hart.
No, NCF Tigers must say, anong sagot dito? Out inside, heavily guarded there. Ed Mendoza, small but incredible inside. Taugan to release. No good. Na nagkakagawan dito. But NCF gets it. 56-51, a minute and 31. Ed Petito denied. But Aquino, and he is now down. Grabe yung ating mga last sequence. It was an intense one. Fast-paced game. Now let's take a look at that. And 25. And Aquino still down there. So let's see. 17 to shoot here. And there will be some substitution sa side ng JB Hart. Aquino magpapahinga muna dito. But Petito will be on that free throw line. 56-51. First free throw of Petito was good. Adjusting the lead here by 6 points. Petito. He needs the second free throw. That's good. Now JB Hart. Dahil naibaba nila sa 7 yung kalamangan, they need to work more. They want to have a tight scoring here before third quarter ends. Mendoza. Losing that ball, but it is a same ball possession here. 14 seconds for JB Hart here. They need to convert a point. Mendoza taking up their time. Nawahanap dito na mapapasahan. Passes to Pereira. But a whistled foul there. Para dito kay Arenzana. That's his second personal foul here. 4 seconds. But Pereira will be on that free throw line. 58-51, a minute and 4. Grabe yung laban ng JB and NCF dito. Our top 2 teams dito sa Oragon Basketball League. First free throw was good para dito kay Pereira. Now let's see for his second free throw. That's good. And CF on the offense side.
A minute and 4 seconds remaining for this third quarter. NCF. May hawak ng bola dito. Margalio to Betito. Heavily guarded here. Looking for his teammate. Passing it to Margalio. And Margalio for that long two. Very clean shot coming from Margalio. Another 2 points was added on their side.
Now 33 seconds remaining for our quarter. Now Margalio playing the game tight here. Now Taogan and Betito battling for that leather, and it will stay on the side of JB Hart. 60-53. But JB Hart only 10 seconds to shoot. Mendoza. And a whistled foul para dito kay Mase. And Suleiman will be on that free throw line. Third personal foul na agad dito ni Mase. 19 seconds remaining here for our third quarter. Suleiman, 2 free throws na bibigay sa kanya, and Ayo will be checking in dito sa natitirang segundo ng third quarter. Also, Marjan checking in, an exchange of Martinez. Now, shuffling the players on the side of JB Hart here. Now, let's see. How will this remaining seconds change para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan? But the officials will adjust that time to 22 seconds. Suleiman now. Gimo checking in. Now, Suleiman, 2 free throws, 60-53, 22 seconds remaining for our third quarter. First free throw was no good. And he needs the second one. Sila pa rin yung naghahabol dito ng 7 puntos. Still no good. Now, 21 seconds. What will NCF do at this moment? Will there be a point? And Betito solong-solo doon sa loob. So an easy point for NCF Tigers, adjusting that lead. Now 8 seconds, Suleiman tries, no good. But that ball will stay on their side here. 3 seconds remaining. They need to have a point conversion here before this quarter ends. Marjan to inbound. But a steal here coming from San Gabriel. And that's the end of our third quarter, 62-53. And we will be back for our fourth and final quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon kami, handa sa laban, lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Kampeon ng Oragon, puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto laging ating bibig.
Ano, maurad ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
May hirap at sakripisyo, ngunit sa dulo nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
We are back here sa loob ng NCF covered court for our fourth and final quarter of this match. JB Hart on the offense at this moment. Maggalong forcing that one and getting a point. Great start on the side of JB Hart. Now Ayo looking for his teammate, passing it to Betito. San Gabriel will try for 3. No good. Betito. Offensive rebound for him. Still, NCF ang may hawak ng bola. And ball possession will stay on the side of NCF. With 8 seconds to shoot. And a foul was called on the side of JB Hart.
Now, 62-55 on our scoreboard here. Now, it was a tied third quarter there. Merong opportunity yung JB Hart para mabawasan yung kalamangan at ginawa nila ng paraan. But at the same time, NCF Tigers hindi din papahuli dahil kada puntos ng JB Hart andoon yung NCF Tigers para bumawi. So now, with this last quarter, what will be the plan of JB Hart to snatch this win against NCF Tigers? Yun yung ating aabangan dito sa ating 9 na minutong fourth quarter. And to hear an update, andyan po si Zay. Hi Zay, anong balita natin dyan?
Hello, Rick and Tin. Now we're here at the fourth quarter and the JB Hearts are still giving it their all sa loob ng court. With every pass, every dribble, and every shot they try to execute. It's getting more critical as we approach the last few minutes. They're still trying to catch up by screening more often and avoiding turnovers. It's quite difficult to build a play, especially during a game this heated. But trabaho kung trabaho at laban kung laban nga ang ating JB Hearts. That's why let's all cheer for them until the last tick of the clock. That's all for now. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Tin.
Ayan, thank you so much, Zay, for that update. So this is the final stretch for JB Hart to make a comeback. And at this moment, 4 na puntos na lamang ang kanilang hinahabol. 64-60 is our score. And the ball possession mapupunta sa kanilang kupunan. Time to lessen this 4 more points on the side of NCF. Now Mendoza. Itatawid ang bola on their side. And to hear an update on the other side of things, let's call our courtside reporter sa side ng NCF. Kayla, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Sheen. We are now on the last quarter of this matchup, and for this fourth quarter of the game, mas gumaganda nga ang laban at patuloy ang pagbuhos ng effort ng NCF Tigers para makuha ang panalong ito and to stay undefeated. Coaches continuously reminds them na kung gusto nilang maipanalo ang laban na ito, kailangan nilang maging mas agresibo sa huling quarter ng matchup na ito. Coach Bray reminds them na mas maging sigurado sa papasahan at ang pinakakailangan ngayong quarter ay ang proper communication, iwasan ang pagiging magigil sa opensa at kailangan ang tapang ng loob to show the best shot at maipanalo ang laban na ito against sa JB Hart na makuha na kaya nila ang kanilang ikapitong panalo for this season. Ayan ang ating dapat abangan at tutukan only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. For now, back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Carla. NCF Tigers needs to focus now on this last quarter on their communication, because as we can see, when it started, there's a lot of loose connection between the team, so they need to focus on that one. But at the same time, ito na sana yung opportunity ng JB Hart to snatch that lead. But also, kahit sila dito, nahihirapan to convert a point. So this is a win-win situation here between these two teams. Now let's see if NCF Tigers makakabawi ba dito doon sa mga turnovers na nagawa nila during this quarter. Now Palilio Releases a 3. No good. Oragon now with that rebound. An opportunity for them, Magalong. Heavily guarded here. But it will be another turnover. Ang daming oportunidad. But still, they can't do anything about it. So let's see. Mabilis lang yung quarter na ito. 7 minutes and 21. Let's see if NCF can convert a point now.
Ayo to inbound on the side of NCF. Passing it to Palillo. And now Margalio. Anong gagawin dito ang kupunan ng NCF to add this 4-point lead na hawak ng kanilang kupunan? Margalio, mid-range jumper at pinasigurado yung shot na yon. So another 2 points was added on their side. And now, Taugan fires for 3. Unsuccessful. Back to NCF ball possession as Ayo. And Gimo with that second chance point. Wow. Kung kailan kailangan ng NCF ang puntos, andun yung mga towers dito on their side.
But at the same time, as we can observe on the side of JB Hort, kailangan meron pa ring bantay sa loob. So second chances point will be available. But now, nakapuntos na nga itong JB Hort dito. But at the same time, it is still a big gap here with this remaining minutes. Ang dami pang pwedeng mangyari, but they need to double their effort now if they really want to snatch this win against NCF Tigers. Pero itong NCF Tigers patuloy umaarangkada. And speaking of umaarangkada, it was Joshua Ayo releasing that quick and good 3-pointer coming from Joshua Ayo. Big thanks dito sa ating sponsors, GILMAR, CASA, DESCANSO. Now another turnover for JB Hort. No, it's not a turnover. Now 12 seconds to shoot on their side here. 71-62. 5 minutes and 49 seconds remaining. Now JB Hort, ano yung gagawin nila dito? Dahil kung kanina medyo nahirapan sa pag-umpisa ng fourth quarter yung NCF, pero binalik agad nila yung momentum sa kanilang side. So JB Hort, kailangan pagtrabahuan ng maigi. Magkalong, cutting that basket. Now, the game is still on para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. Joshua Ayo now with the ball. 16 seconds to shoot. Passes to Gimo. Now Gimo heavily guarded there. Snatching that ball. Ngayon nagmabadali. Lionel passes to Mendoza. Mendoza losing that ball. But it will be the same ball possession here. Margalio yung tatawagan dito ng foul. It will be his third personal foul. 5 minutes and 20. Let's see here with 17 seconds to shoot on the side of JB Hort. Mendoza will be the one to inbound. Now all of the players here of JB Hort needs to step up at this moment. We're almost halfway with this quarter, but still NCF dominating it. 71-64. Lionel. Mahalap dito mapapasahan. It was Perea. Perea to Aquino. Now Aquino step back for a 3, but denied by Gimo. And one of the players here of NCF Tigers, I think it was Joshua Ayo. He is now down. Now, his contribution to the team was so great that they have this big gap. 7 points is big for this kind of matchup. Well, I think he needs to rest first here. 5 minutes and 12, 71-64 on our scoreboard. And Joshua Ayo still down there. But before anything else, stay tuned for our last game this evening. It will be USI Falcons versus Corsino Motors. Now, isang magandang laban na naman po ang mapatutunghayan natin mamaya. Now, Joshua Ayo will take a rest first here. Well, let's see. 5 minutes and 12 again. So, Nawada will be the one checking in. An exchange of Ayo. Now, we are back to the ball game. There's still a lot of things to do here, most especially on the side of JB Hart. They need to work more. They need to guard more because NCF Tigers is unstoppable. So if they want to get this win, they need to focus, have a good connection and communication inside the court. Now, ball possession of NCF Tigers, Palilio to inbound. Full shot clock here. Palilio. Passes to Nawada. Nahihirapan dito. Lionel with that defense. Now Palilio. Back to Nawada. Now Marcayo. Titira. That's good para sa tres. Marcayo once again proving that he is the best player on the side of NCF. Dahil dyan mapapatawag nga ng timeout itong JB Hart. Because at this point, they are back to 10-point lead.
4 minutes and 58 seconds remaining for this match. And let's take a look one more time for our game highlights brought to us by Trend Bakery. These both teams palitan ng magagandang point conversion, mapados or tres man. Talagang ka-highlights itong ipinapakita ng dalawang kupunan na ito. So let's see dito sa natitirang 4 na minuto. Will the NCF contain their momentum or will the JB Hart snatch this game against the Tigers? Yan ang aabangan natin dito sa natitirang 4 minutes and 58 seconds. And don't go away because we have our last match. It's between USA Falcons versus Carcido Motors. Another interesting to watch para dito sa ating OBL Elavil Cup. Now, back to the ball game for this intensifying match between these two teams.
Now Mendoza, quick 3 here. No good. Chimo nakikipaglaban sa rebound. But it will stay on the side of JB Hart. Now, ito talaga yung mga minuto na kailangan gumawa ng paraan yung JB Hart and NCF Tigers to really make sure that they are the one that will go home with a win. 13 seconds to shoot on the side of JB Hart. They need to focus now. What will they do? Great defense coming from the side of NCF Tigers. Lionel releasing in and out ball. Arenzana was there for that rebound. Ngayon, NCF Tigers, an opportunity for them to widen that gap. Nawada taking up their time here. Nawada. And an offensive foul was called to Jimo. 4th personal foul coming from Jimo. Isa na lang para sa kanya. So he needs to be careful. Now Mendoza passes to Pereira. JB Hart yung naghahabol dito. So kailangan pagtrabahuhan yung 10 puntos with only limited time. 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Now Taugan. Tries. No good. Chimo fighting for that rebound. And CF Tigers on the run now. We're now on the 4-minute mark. And Marcayo passes to Arenzana. And Chimo getting that basket. Still extending the lead of NCF Tigers here. Pereira to try. Still struggling sa pagpuntos itong JB Hart. While on the other side, NCF Tigers. Kitang-kita naman natin after that basket count with Marcayo. May kasama po yung foul.
78-64 is our score. Wow, NCF! Gising na gising para dito sa ating fourth quarter. Ayaw nila ditong palapitin na itong JB Hart. They really want a 7-0 standing para sa kanilang kupunan. At pag nagawa nga yun ng NCF, wow, still undefeated after those 7 matches. Grabe naman ang pinapakita dito ng NCF. And syempre ang JB Hart hindi din magpapatalo. 3 minutes pa ang kailangan nilang trabahuhin dito. Taugan. Heavily guarded by Margalio. Fires for 3. No good. Palilio to Nawada. NCF has the chance to stretch their lead here. And foul was whistled para dito kay Perea on the side of JB Hart. And with that, James Nawada has the chance to add their score here with this free throw shot.
Now NCF Tigers proving that they are undefeated and up until now showcasing great defense and offense inside the court. Well, on the other side, JB Hart, medyo malamig yung kanilang top scorers dito like Taugan. So, we are waiting for a good gameplay for the side of JB Hart. Now, we only have 3 minutes and 6 seconds. 79-64. Now, a very big gap na naman po yung pinagtrabahuhan ng NCF Tigers. And as we can see on that last sequence, they are still struggling to get a point here. And even on the defense, they need to work more on that one. James Luada now, 14 seconds to shoot here. Passes to Palilio. Now Palilio taking up their time. 7 seconds to shoot, asking for a screen here to Gimo. Now Margalio, no good. Gimo with that long hands, but still. With JB Hart, with his ball possession, Magalo tries, and that's good. They caught the bleeding there. But with this remaining minutes, 2:19, it will be hard for JB Hart. But let's see what will happen. Now, NCF Tigers.
Magalong and Margalio showdown ang ating natutunghayan dito sa match na ito. And foul was whistled again on the side of the NCF Tigers.
2 minutes and 2, 79-66. At Palilio, nakuha pa yung puntos, and that is our last 2 minutes here. And NCF Tigers having that big gap against JB Hart. Ngayon naman, naiwan ng JB Hart yung kanilang magandang performance doon sa kalagitnaan ng fourth quarter. And now, NCF Tigers dominating the remaining minutes. As we can see right now, it is a very big gap. 1 minute and 29 seconds, and still, NCF Tigers continuously giving us a good performance here. There's no room for complacency for NCF Tigers. Natawagan pa nga ng foul dyan si Mendoza. (81-66), 1 minute and 15. And they're still playing good here for the side of NCF Tigers. Palilio to inbound. Still focusing on getting their 7th win. They're the only team na walang talo dito sa ating season of OBL. Nawara, no good. Naubuso ng oras dyan. JB Hart, an opportunity here, but still with this remaining 54 seconds, it will be hard for them para habulin pa yung natitirang segundo. But Martinez, sabi niya, kaya pa. Pwede pang bawasan yung kalawangan ng NCF Tigers dito. 81-68, 39 seconds remaining. Still, let's wait for the final matchup of USI Falcons and Corsino Motors. At now, inuubos na lamang ng NCF Tigers yung kanilang segundo dito. But still, I think we can finally say that NCF Tigers still the undefeated team for our Oragon Basketball League for the elimination round. But still, it is a good matchup between JB Hart. We are expecting this kind of performance here. At talagang nagpakita sila ng napakagandang laro.
Yes. What a game on the side of NCF Tigers. Consistency is the key. Wow, 7-0 record. Still undefeated on this league. And of course, thank you so much to JB Hart for showing us a good fight this evening. We'll be right back for our player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, maurad ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
May hirap at sakripisyo, ngunit sa dulo nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
greatest alive.
Fuck rap, bustle like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who'da had it and he ready for anybody to buck back. Gonna catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady, and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicken, slim shady with rabies. I'm coming at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare you to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation. And I'm tired of all of this high school, he's cool, he's not rap shit. Can a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit? This that I got.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Ano, Morad ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
And our best player of the game is brought to us by Naga College Foundation, home of the champion. Leap into the future. At kasama ko ngayon ang ating best player of the game, jersey number 14, Alvin Margallo, with 21 points, 2 rebounds, 1 assist, and 1 steal. So again, congratulations on your win against JB Hart. So ano yung nararamdaman mo, Coach Alvin? Ikaw ulit ang best player of the game ngayong araw na ito.
Parang namumuro na ako eh. Hindi, ano lang naman eh, ginagawa ko na lang yung best ko, yung trabaho ko. Since nagaling din ako sa palarong BICOL, hindi ko na-expect na makapaglaro pa ako ng hindi 100%. Kumbaga nakasabay pa rin sa mga kabataan or sa mga veterans through the whole game.
Ayun, nabanggit mo nga dito, Coach, yung palarong BICOL kung saan nag-champion dito yung NCF Cubs. And knowing na ikaw yung nag-coach din, from coaching to playing, ano pa yung aabangan namin dito sa NCF Tigers towards this other matches para dito sa OBL Elavil Cup?
Siguro sa semis na eh. Kasi since na wala kaming talo, and alam ko we're advanced to the semis. So we're waiting and we will prepare sa semis.
Ayun, naaabangan pa dito ng NCNs ang NCF Tigers. And congratulations for 7-0 record dito sa OBL Elavil Cup. And lastly, Coach, this is your time to shout out all the supporters na nakatutok since day one up until this match.
Siyempre, papasalamat pa rin kami sa big boss namin, kay Sir Mario, and kay Sir Joel, kay Coach Brian, and the whole coaching staff, sa mga players. And siyempre, sa Naga College Foundation, sa walang sawang suporta. Abangan nyo kami sa darating na semis. Yan po.
Ayan, again, beside me is our best player of the game, jersey number 14, Alvin Margallo.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
And that's our best player of the game. Again, it is jersey number 14, Alwin Margallo. I think it is his 6th time appearance as the best player of the game. What a great performance coming from the side of NCF Tigers. And of course, congratulations also sa JB Hart sa isang magandang laban na ipakita nila. Of course, for our last game, it is USI Falcons versus Carcino Motors. Kasama niyo pa po ang inyong mga commentators. I am Christina Canzareas.
And I am Rick Puerto. For more actions ng OBL Elavil League, tune in to Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, Morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon!